Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix high ping and latency variation in Rocket League. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up Rocket League, and then you just need to go to play, select the mode, and then you should see regions on the top right, and make sure to select the region that is close to you. I live in Europe, so I will select Europe, and then go to settings and go to gameplay and make sure that client center rate is on high, server center rate is on high, bandwidth limit is on high, and then you need to test it out few options here. You first on input buffer, make sure to select STS and look if you're experiencing high ping and latency variation, and if not, then leave this option, but if you're experiencing it, then change it to CSTS, right? And then look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here, you can quit Rocket League here, and then you need to go to your network settings here on the bottom right. You should see network, as you can see here. Go to and press on open network and internet settings, and go to change adapter options and make sure to disable your Ethernet connection or other, it depends what you're using, and then after a few seconds enable it here. And after you do that, then go to properties, and then you need to select Internet Protocol version 4, and then press use the following DNS server addresses and set to Google DNS servers. So on preferred DNS server, just write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server, just write 8.8.4.4. And the high ping and latency variation should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.